Today we're making a Halloween costume for my baby daughter, Fred. And for her first Halloween, we wanted to dress her up as a man-eating plant. Our inspiration for this, of course, is the musical Little Shop of Horrors. However, this could easily also be a super Chomper plant from Plants vs. Zombies, and with a quick paint job, it could also be a Piranha Plant from Mario. So this was a quick, rough and dirty DIY costume build. First thing I want to show you is a bunch of the things I bought to get started. A brown towel. I thought it might be good for roots and stuff, and again, it was pretty cheap. I think it was only like $3. Then I bought some spray paint, and last but not least, the bucket that I put all that in. Of course, I'm going to be using all kind of supplies from around my house as well. So we're just going to jump right into it. Alright, and that's how her Halloween costume turned out. The little Audrey too. And there she is, snug as a bug in this little fly trap here. Really worked out well. It's obviously pretty comfy because she just completely passed out in there. And look, there's her little feet in these things, so that worked out really well. Alright, good night, Fred. Happy Halloween. Ooh. So if you've been following this channel for a while, you'll notice that Fred looked pretty young. This was actually last year's costume, but I built it the day before Halloween, so I felt weird uploading it after Halloween. But if you want to check out the costumes we're actually going to be this year, make sure to follow my Instagram. That's the best place to see my behind the scenes photos, and also you'll get a sneak peek about projects that are coming up next. One more thing, if you haven't seen it yet, I actually have already built a set of Audrey 2 puppets for Little Shop of Horrors. There's a link to the build playlist right here. Anyway, that's it for now. I'll see you next time.